Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to blend any image to the background in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just closing this. I already opened the new blank page. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to find a background what we would like to use. I just search for wooden background, go into the photos and start to scrolling down until I find something interesting like this. Set image as background, and now I just duplicating this page. And this is when the funny part starts. So we have to adjust this picture. So I just click on the picture, go into the edit and click on adjust. Scrolling down until we find the saturation and moving the saturation to -100. The vibrance to -45. So shadows we are moving to -50. Highlights set to 70 and the brightness to 30. Like this. Maybe it's too bright. 20 or just 15. Yeah, this really depends on the picture, or maybe I do not even have to. Yeah, I just keep it to 10 on this image. So now I just downloading this second page. Moving up to the first page and just adding to the picture. Just moving to the side, already adding a new page, and I have to find some image what I would like to use as what would like to blend to the background. I just use this picture what I used before, removing the background, adjusting the size like this, moving to the middle or more or less the middle, and moving this uploaded picture and increasing the size to fit the whole Canva. Right click, layers, bring to front. So now you cannot see anything else than this picture. So go into the transparency and reducing the transparency to roughly 50. Yeah, this is looking good. And now I just have to download this image. So I just have to download the page number 1. Download, and just scrolling down to the last page. And this was the picture what I downloaded. Increasing the size to fit the page. And going to the edit again. And adjust. And now we have to do lots of settings to make this image more realistic. All these settings, all these adjustments will be in the description for both pictures. So start with the temperature. Temperature is -20. And going down to the contrasts has to be roughly 25. Highlights 20. Shadow -45, white -20, and the blacks are 40. But keep in mind, all of these settings are just more or less settings. So maybe if you just play a bit more, you can have a final, better outcome. This is just for a preset, and then you know where to start and we starting with doing the steps what I did, then you can see the image what you're creating. Then maybe you can fine tune it with just small steps, like, you know, highlights not to 20, maybe you just move into 21 or 19, 18. So you will see the differences and all of this small combination. So going down even further, so the vibrance is 50, saturation is 45, and going down to the clarity is also has to be 50, and just turning it. I think it's already nice. Maybe we can do some small adjustments, just small fine-tuning thingies, like the contrast to 30, the shadows to -55, the white is maybe a bit too, still too much, yes, and the blacks to moving to 50, vibrance to 55, and the saturation to 50, and the clarity is also 55, yes, maybe even to 60. Yeah, it's even better. Yeah, now it's even better. So as you can see, all images are different, all the combinations, which background did you use, and how is it working together with the image what you use. So that's more or less what you can find in the description, that the settings are really nice for the preset. Then you can also play around to fine-tune your settings, and maybe you can find some better adjustments. Of course, that really depends on the pictures what you use. But now this is the end of this video. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. And of course, also leave some comment if you struggling anything in Canva or AI tools. I try to answer as soon as possible. And also you can visit my Facebook page. The link will be also in the description. When you find lots of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find also lots of text to image generation prompts that are also really useful if you are interested on that area. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao.